We often search for complex solutions to our health problems. We buy expensive equipment and follow complicated routines. But what if I told you that some of the most effective tools are readily available and incredibly simple? The dead hang, a seemingly basic exercise, is a prime example of this principle. By simply hanging from a bar, we unlock a cascade of benefits that can transform our health and fitness. This isn't about complicated movements or fancy equipment. It's about returning to the basics, to movements our bodies are naturally designed for. The dead hang is a testament to the power of simplicity. It's a full-body exercise that strengthens, decompresses and realigns, all while requiring nothing more than a bar and your own body weight. In a world obsessed with complexity, the dead hang stands out as a beacon of simplicity and effectiveness. It's time to ditch the convoluted and embrace the power of the hang. Your body will thank you. The magic of the dead hang lies in its simplicity. By hanging passively, we engage multiple muscle groups from our fingers to our back. This full-body engagement yields a surprising array of benefits, all backed by scientific evidence. Studies show that dead hangs can improve shoulder mobility, increase grip strength, and even alleviate back pain. The science is clear. Dead hangs are not just good for you, they're incredibly beneficial. They tap into our body's natural movement patterns, promoting joint health, muscle activation, and overall well-being. By understanding the mechanics of the dead hang, we can appreciate its profound impact on our health. The research is compelling, but the real magic happens when we experience these benefits firsthand. Let's dive into real-life stories of people who have transformed their health through the power of the dead hang. The transformative power of dead hangs isn't just theoretical, it's backed by countless personal stories. Take Sarah, a desk-bound professional who suffered from chronic neck pain. After incorporating dead hangs into her daily routine, she experienced a significant reduction in pain and improved posture. Or consider John, an avid climber plagued by shoulder impingement. Dead hangs became his secret weapon, restoring mobility and allowing him to climb pain-free. These stories, while individuals share a common thread, the power of the dead hang to heal and strengthen. They highlight the accessibility of this exercise, proving that you don't need fancy equipment or hours of training to experience its benefits. Whether you're an athlete, a desk worker, or simply someone looking to improve their health, the dead hang offers a path towards a stronger, more resilient you. These testimonials serve as powerful reminders that change is possible. By incorporating dead hangs into our lives, we too can experience the transformative benefits that others have discovered. It's time to move beyond theory and embrace the practical application of this powerful exercise. Our shoulders, while incredibly mobile, are also prone to injury. Hours spent hunched over computers and phones contribute to poor posture and restricted movement. The dead hang acts as a natural antidote, gently pulling the shoulders into proper alignment and improving range of motion. This decompression effect can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from shoulder impingement or rotator cuff issues. Beyond mobility, dead hangs also build shoulder strength, particularly in the muscles responsible for pulling and stabilizing. This increased strength translates to better posture, reduced risk of injury, and improved performance in everyday activities and athletic endeavors. By incorporating dead hangs into your routine, you're not just addressing existing issues, but also proactively protecting your shoulders for the future. The beauty of the dead hang lies in its ability to address both mobility and strength simultaneously. It's a holistic approach to shoulder health, promoting optimal function and resilience. By prioritizing shoulder health, we lay the foundation for a healthier, more active life. Back pain is a common ailment, often exacerbated by prolonged sitting and poor posture. The dead hang offers a simple yet effective solution by utilizing gravity to decompress the spine. As we hang, the space between our vertebrae increases, relieving pressure on discs and nerves. This decompression effect can alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and improve overall spinal health. Beyond pain relief, dead hangs also strengthen the muscles that support the spine, including the erector spinae and core muscles. This increased strength promotes better posture, reduces the risk of future injuries, and enhances overall spinal stability. By incorporating dead hangs into your routine, you're not just addressing existing back pain, but also taking proactive steps to prevent future issues. The dead hang's ability to both decompress and strengthen the spine makes it a powerful tool for combating back pain and improving spinal health. It's a natural, accessible solution that empowers us to take control of our back health and live pain-free. Grip strength is often overlooked, yet it's a fundamental aspect of overall fitness and functional strength. A strong grip is essential for everyday activities like carrying groceries, opening jars, and playing sports. Dead hangs are a fantastic way to improve grip strength as they require us to hold our entire body weight with our hands. Regular dead hangs challenge our forearms, hands, and fingers, building endurance and strength. This increased grip strength translates to improved performance in various activities, from weightlifting to rock climbing to simply maintaining independence as we age. By incorporating dead hangs into our routine, we're not just strengthening our grip but also enhancing our overall functionality and quality of life. Grip strength is a key indicator of overall health and longevity. Dead hangs provide a simple yet effective way to improve this often neglected aspect of fitness, enhancing our ability to perform everyday tasks with ease and confidence. In today's world, many of us spend hours hunched over screens, leading to poor posture and its associated problems. Dead hangs act as a natural posture corrector, counteracting the effects of prolonged sitting and slouching. By hanging with our arms overhead, we lengthen the muscles in our chest and shoulders, which tend to tighten from poor posture. This lengthening effect, combined with the strengthening of back muscles, helps to pull our shoulders back and align our spine correctly. Regular dead hangs can lead to a more upright posture, reduced back pain, and improved breathing. By incorporating dead hangs into our routine, we're not just improving our appearance, but also enhancing our overall health and well-being. Posture is more than just aesthetics. It's a reflection of our overall health. Dead hangs offer a simple yet effective way to combat the negative effects of modern lifestyles and stand tall with confidence. While the standard dead hang is incredibly effective, there are variations and progressions that can further challenge us and target specific areas. For beginners, simply holding a dead hang for as long as possible is a great starting point. As we get stronger, we can experiment with active hangs, where we engage our shoulder blades, or one-arm hangs for an advanced grip challenge. We can also incorporate hanging leg raises or knee raises to target our core muscles, or use gymnastic rings for a greater range of motion and instability. The key is to listen to our bodies and progress gradually, avoiding any pain or discomfort. By exploring different variations and progressions, we can continue to challenge ourselves and reap the full benefits of dead hangs. The dead hang is a versatile exercise that can be adapted to suit different fitness levels and goals. By exploring variations and progressing gradually, we can continue to challenge ourselves and unlock new levels of strength and mobility. While dead hangs are generally safe and beneficial, it's crucial to listen to our bodies and take necessary precautions. Individuals with pre-existing shoulder or wrist injuries should consult with a healthcare professional before attempting dead hangs. It's also essential to start slowly and gradually increase the duration and intensity of our hangs. Avoid any pain or discomfort during the exercise and stop immediately if you experience any sharp or shooting pains. Proper form is crucial, so ensure your shoulders are relaxed and your spine is neutral. By prioritizing safety and listening to our bodies, we can enjoy the numerous benefits of dead hangs without risking injury. While dead hangs are generally safe, it's crucial to prioritize proper form and listen to our bodies. By taking necessary precautions and avoiding pain, we can ensure a safe and effective exercise experience. The dead hang, in its simplicity, offers a profound path towards a healthier, more resilient you. It's a testament to the power of basic movements and our body's innate ability to heal and adapt. By incorporating dead hangs into our daily routine, we're not just performing an exercise, we're investing in our long-term health and well-being. So, I encourage you to embrace the hang. Find a bar, grab hold, and experience the transformative power of this simple yet effective exercise. Listen to your body, progress gradually, and celebrate the small victories along the way. Your journey to a healthier, stronger, and more resilient you starts with a single hang. The dead hang is more than just an exercise. It's a gateway to unlocking your body's full potential. Embrace the hang and embark on your journey to a healthier, more vibrant you.